Hello children, today let us learn a comprehension from the lesson The Selfish Giant Part 1 from Unit 3 Part A. On to the points to remember. Please go through these points in order to make an effective comprehension. Here goes the passage. Children, read the passage twice or thrice or 4 times before you attempt the question and answers, because you need to have an amicable knowledge about the things happening in the passage. In this passage, we see that the old giant is describing his garden, wherein the spring season had forgotten to come to his garden. In the entire country, there was spring season except in the giant's garden. Here, in the giant's garden, the snow and the frost, the north wind, the hail, everything, all these elements of the winter were dancing and enjoying. So, it was just winter in the giant's garden. In the rest of the country, it was springtime. And the giant was really eagerly waiting for the springtime to come to his garden, and he was wondering whether what was the reason the spring did not come to his garden. On to the objective type questions. Choose the correct answer. The birds did not come to sing, and the trees forgot to blossom because it was winter in the giant's garden, it was spring season in the giant's garden. They had forgotten to sing and blossom. They did not like springtime. Yes, the right answer is it was winter in the giant's garden. Because the rest of the country it was springtime, but in the giant's garden it was just winter season. So the birds did not come, neither did they sing, and the trees too did not blossom. Second question. The frost painted all the trees silver. The figure of speech used in the sentences: metaphor, simile, personification, imagery. Yes, the right answer is personification, because here the word painted, it is the action of a human being. Only human being paint. The frost painted all the trees. So when a thing, the frost, is given a human quality, that is painting, this is called personification. Hence, the right answer is personification. In the sentence, he was wrapped in the heavy furs. The word wrapped means covered, cleaned, decorated, whipped. Yes, the right answer is covered. Now look children, when you do not know the answer, when you do not know the meaning of that particular word, go through the same sentence again and again and again in the passage. You will get a rough idea. You can have a guess whether what that meaning could be. Otherwise, you can substitute that word instead of that word. That is, you can use he was covered in heavy furs, he was cleaned in the heavy furs, he was decorated in the heavy furs, he was whipped in the heavy furs. Which suits better? That you can write as the answer. And remember children, never leave any question without answering. Answer all the questions. Whether it be right or wrong, answer all the questions. On to the question and answers. Answer the following questions. According to the giant, how was the old hail? Here in the passage, the giant describes the old hail. So you can say, according to the giant, the old hail was grey and cold. Or you can say, according to the giant, the old hail was wild and extremely cold. Now look children, for comprehension, half of the marks come for maintaining the tense of the answer with respect to the question. In the question it is was, so in the answer also it should be was. For that you get half of the marks. On to the fifth question. Was the giant happy? How do you know? No, the giant was not happy because spring had not come to his garden. And you can also say if he had been happy, he would never be thinking about the springtime at all. He would have been enjoying about the winter season. Hope you all understood how to make the comprehension. Thank you children, thank you and have a bright day.